Hi guys, my name is Franklin Enter, and I really don't like giving reviews, but this I would say is worth it. So if you really want to learn anything and everything about Facebook advertising, then this is the best blog. And honestly, all my expectations were not met, it was overmet. Thank you very much.
Go.
Hi guys, my name is Nathaniel Daniel. I've been longing to know more about Facebook ads and digital marketing until I come across this advert on Instagram, and here am I today. In 3 days I'm already feeling like an expert and a digital marketer. I'm so happy. The training was fantastic. The meals, chicken and rice, and the well is so amazing. I appreciate it all. Thank you.
I see this opportunity to say thank you for this training. It has been an interesting one. It has opened my eyes into the area I really want to the digital marketing. With this now, I believe I can go into the field and do well. My special thanks to the facilitators and the company for organizing this kind of training for us. I'm very grateful.